Welcome to our English Boost Motivation channel. The crucial role of English training for tourism frontline staff. Stephen Ekstrom. Effective communication is paramount in the fast-paced world of tourism, where first impressions can make or break a traveler's experience. Frontline professionals working in hotels, attractions, restaurants, taxis, and more play a pivotal role in shaping tourists' perceptions of a destination. Among the many skills they require, English proficiency is a crucial asset. This article delves into the significance of English training for frontline staff in tourism destinations and why partnering with the Learn Tourism can be the key to efficient and practical training. The global language of tourism. English has long established itself as the lingua franca of international tourism. Whether assisting guests at a hotel, guiding tourists through a historic site, taking orders in a restaurant, or providing transportation services, frontline staff often interact with people from all corners of the globe. English serves as the bridge that connects visitors and hosts, facilitating seamless communication and enhancing the overall experience. Read more. English for Tourism Training.
Enhancing guest experience. A traveler's experience begins the moment they arrive at a destination. Frontline staff are the initial point of contact and, as such, hold the power to set the tone for the entire journey. Clear and effective communication in English allows staff to provide essential information and engage with guests personally, making them feel welcome and valued. This positive experience ensures satisfaction and encourages return visits and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Navigating challenges. Tourism destinations often face diverse and unpredictable challenges. Whether handling an emergency, addressing a guest's unique request, or resolving a conflict, frontline staff must have the linguistic skills to navigate these situations effectively. English proficiency enables staff to handle various scenarios with confidence and composure, ensuring the safety and satisfaction of visitors. The role of Learn Tourism. Why should tourism destinations partner with the Learn Tourism for English training? The organization's unique approach to education and commitment to sustainable tourism is the answer. The Learn Tourism, led by CEO Stephen Ekstrom, is a nonprofit organization specializing in advancing the tourism industry through science, business psychology, and adult education. Leveraging its expertise, the Academy offers tailored English training programs designed specifically for frontline tourism professionals. Here's why it's a smart choice.
Expertise. With over 25 years of experience in the tourism industry, Stephen Ekstrom and his team understand the challenges frontline staff face. This deep industry knowledge informs their training programs. Effective learning. The Academy's commitment to adult education ensures that training is engaging and effective. Their programs are designed to equip participants with practical English language skills that can be immediately applied in their roles. Sustainability. The Learn Tourism's nonprofit status reflects its commitment to building sustainable economies through tourism. Partnering with the Academy benefits frontline staff and contributes to the destination's long-term success. Generosity. Stephen Ekstrom's values of curiosity, kindness, authenticity, and generosity are ingrained in the Academy's approach. Training is not just about language, but also about fostering positive interactions and creating memorable experiences. In conclusion, English training for frontline staff in tourism destinations is a luxury and a necessity for success in the global tourism industry. Partnering with the Learn Tourism ensures that training is efficient, effective, and aligned with the principles of sustainable tourism. As Maya Angelou said, "Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better." Embracing English training is a step toward doing better in the tourism sector, ultimately benefiting tourists and their destinations.